Hello everyone, in today's video we will be using DBeaver to access the database in Odoo ERP. Okay, so you can download the application here in dbeaver.io and then go to download, and then you can choose the installer according to your operating system. Right, so this application will be used to access the database of Odoo. And then in this scenario, we will be accessing our local database, and then we want to view the ER diagram and see the database of this related to this journal in accounting. Right, so without further ado, let's start with the application. After you install, you can just open the application, and then you will be greeted by this interface, and from here you can go to database and then new database connection, right? And as Odoo is using PostgreSQL in my local, so I'll choose the PostgreSQL, and then now we need to access the database by entering the username, password, and the database name. So for example, for me, you can see outside when you just open the localhost, you're choosing the database, and this is the name of the database. So I will choose the Odoo 16a, and then by default the username and password will be openpg and openpg pwd. So just enter that because I have not change anything here. Openpg pwd, then put the port 5432 and finish. Okay, as I have did, I'll press cancel here. After that, you will be greeted by this option. So this is the database that we just connected. So now you can just open this database and then go to databases, go to the name of your database, and then choose schemas. And here you can open again the schemas, public tables. And here you can see there is so many accounts, so many tables, and now you can start to navigate to the thing you want to look into for. Also, if you want to view the entity relationship diagram, I don't recommend you to just randomly see the ER like this. Just press the ER, because this will be contains like a lot of accounts, and it will start lagging. Maybe the program will be not responding. So you can first choose the table you want to analyze. For example, in here it's the journal, so I'll just use the search function, journal, and then there are some options here. So let's see which one we want to go. I think I'm looking for this one, the account_journal. Let's see if there is some details there. Okay, so this is the number of object, I guess. Okay, so let's see account_journal. Double click on it, and then yeah, we are greeted by the table here, and yep, we can also see the ER diagram by clicking on this button. Okay, now we can analyze the ER diagram here. You can see this is the account journal, and then these are the tables that have the relationship with the account journal tables. Okay, so now we have seen, and also see the data here. You can compare this to the data that we have. So for example, let's open Odoo again. and then we can see in accounting, and then in sorry, it should be in the settings, configuration, yeah, and then journals. Okay, here you can see let's open up a bit. Okay, so we have 8 inputs here, and here there's also 8 inputs, and it perfectly corresponds each other. You can see the customer invoice, vendor bills, and so on and so on. Oh, even the order is the same in here. Okay, and so when things change in your Odoo, the database will also be updated. And also another way for you to explore in these tools, you can also just enter SQL expression in this box. Okay, so that was a short demonstration from me about this DBeaver application. Hope it's helpful to you, and thank you for watching.